How to remove a stuck tampon. A lost or stuck tampon? Hey, it happens. Don't be embarrassed. Sometimes tampons get stuck because of exercise or other reasons. You should be able to dislodge the tampon pretty easily. However, if you can't, see a doctor immediately. Leaving a tampon inside for too long can create a risk for infection. Part 1. Preparing to remove the tampon. 1. Act fast. You need to take care of this problem right away. Don't put it out of your mind because you're really embarrassed. You could be risking your health. Remember, this is something that has happened to many people. You should never leave a tampon in for 8 hours or more, as you could get toxic shock syndrome. Although treatable, it can be fatal. However, if you've had the tampon in for a very short time, like an hour or so, you might want to wait a bit longer and try to remove it again, because dry tampons get stuck more easily, and your menstrual flow may help you remove it. Try to remove it yourself first. It should be fairly easy to do this, but if that doesn't work, you will have to call your doctor right away. It can't be said enough, leaving tampons in for too long is very dangerous. 2. Relax. If you're tense, you will actually make it worse. Are you sure there is really a tampon inside you, or have you just forgotten you took it out? If you're sure it's inside you, remember, it's not really stuck. It's just that the muscles of the vagina will hold it in place until you remove it. Don't freak out. The vagina is a relatively small closed area, and it's not going to be lost up there forever. This is something that has happened to many women, so there is no reason to panic. You might want to take a warm shower or warm bath to help you relax before you try to remove it. Take some deep breaths too. If you are too tense, you will clench the muscles, making the tampon harder to remove. 3. Clean your hands. You're going to want clean hands to remove a stuck tampon because you don't want to introduce germs into the vaginal cavity. Proper hygiene will prevent infection, further complications, and problems. You might also want to clip your nails because you will need to insert your fingers into your vagina to get the tampon. You want to make the process as painless as possible. Find a private space, probably the bathroom is best for hygienic reasons. Take off your lower clothing. It will make it easier to remove the tampon. Part 2. Removing the stuck tampon. 1. Pull on the string. If you can see the string, and it's not also stuck inside your body, lightly tug on the string while squatting close to the ground with your feet and knees spread apart, but not wide enough for you to actually be sitting on the ground. You want to lightly tug at the string to see if the tampon comes out on its own, because this would be easiest. There should generally be at least an inch of string coming out of you if the tampon is properly positioned. Try different positions if it doesn't come out right away. Prop your feet with something and sit on the toilet. Or put one foot on the bathtub. However, many times the string is stuck inside a woman's vagina with the tampon. It may take a minute or two until you can pull it out. If that's the case, move on to the next step. 2. Sit or squat down. It's easier to get a stuck tampon out if you do it while sitting or squatting down. You also want to bear down to try to dislodge it. Try changing positions if you can't find it right away. Prop your feet on a trash can or bathtub. Or squat over the toilet bowl for sanitary reasons. You could also try lying down in bed with your legs wide and up in the air, but squatting or sitting usually work better. Bear down as if you're straining to have a bowel movement or are giving birth or are doing reverse Kegels. Sometimes, this can force the tampon out. Bearing down will help ease it into a more easy-to-reach position. Take a deep breath. 3. Insert a single finger while exhaling. You are going to have to put your finger into your vagina as far as possible. Make circular motions with your finger between the cervix and vagina. This is where most stuck tampons are. You might need to use your index finger and your thumb. Find the tampon, and insert another finger if you'd only used one at first. Catch the tampon's cotton cylinder between your fingers, and try to pull it out. You will need to pull out the actual tampon probably, not just the string. Don't panic. If you do this too quickly, you could end up pushing it farther in. Once you feel it, just pull it out. Don't dig around for the tampon for more than 10 minutes or so. If you can't get it out, don't panic. Call your doctor. If you feel a string that somehow got bunched up inside of you, get it under your finger but against the side of your vagina, and slowly pull the tampon out. It's probably easier if you use your longest finger, but all women's vaginas are different, so you might be able to use any other finger, also. Part 3: Getting help removing the tampon. 1. Try lubricant. You could also try using a lot of lubricant before reaching for the tampon with your finger. This might make it less painful and easier to do. Don't pour water in the vagina or use soap. It can cause infections. And don't put scented lotions on the vagina, they can irritate the skin. It might also be helpful to use a mirror to investigate what is going on down below. Or you could try peeing into the toilet. The natural process might dislodge the tampon. 2. Use your fingers only. If that doesn't work though, and this is very important, your next step should not be to introduce a foreign object, like metal tweezers, to your vagina. It's worth repeating, do not ever use another object to get the tampon. That can be very unsanitary, and it could also get stuck. Foreign objects also could scrape the vaginal walls. You want to remove the tampon in a way that doesn't cause you more problems. 3. Call a doctor. If you can't find the tampon or retrieve it, you need to go to the doctor right away. If a tampon is left inside of you, it could cause an infection and be very dangerous. You could also ask a second person to try to get it first, like your partner, but many women are too embarrassed to do that. If you do, the person should wear gloves. It should be easy for a doctor to remove a stuck tampon. Don't be embarrassed about this, you should realize that this is something that happens all the time, and the doctor has almost certainly seen it before. You never want to risk your feminine health. Sometimes women forget they have a tampon in, and then insert another one, causing the first one to get stuck. Try to remember when you inserted a tampon, because leaving one in too long can cause serious infections. If you have symptoms like foul odor, vaginal discharge, dizziness, pelvic pressure or pain, or abdominal discomfort, call your doctor immediately. Tips. Try moving slowly and gently to make removing the tampon less painful. Relax, relax, relax. Try some petroleum jelly or water to loosen the tampon. Warnings. Make sure the tampon is stuck in you for no more than 8 hours.